Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi Q5 S line. This model has a 2-litre TDI engine with 190 PS and the slick S tronic gearbox, delivering a sporty yet engaging drive. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved used Audi model, it means it comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and 1 year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, including the aeronet grills, radiator grille, and front bumper, giving this a stylish front end. While as standard, we have the famous Quattro 4-wheel drive system, so you can be reassured that you'll receive the same driving experience under any condition. Not only that, but as standard, we also have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the stylish 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels, which look amazing, and complement the stunning Manhattan grey paintwork perfectly. While there's also heated, electrically adjustable and folding body coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, aluminium side window trim strips, as well as aluminium roof rails, really setting off the stylish exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Inside, there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the leather and Alcantara upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. And if there's no middle seat passenger, there's also a fold-down armrest, perfect for those long road trips, which we're sure you'll be able to do in this car with ease. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper, and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish overall look. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use a soft release on the power operated tailgate. This has a large boot with 550 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding a shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just push the button on the power operated tailgate and it will close automatically. Overall, this is a really stylish SUV. While considering its age and mileage, it is in excellent condition. Inside, it's equally as stylish. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also front sport seats upholstered in leather and Alcantara, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car, with the electric lumbar support adding the extra convenience on those longer journeys. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors, as well as a switch for the power operated tailgate, so you can open the boot from inside. But this concludes our 360-degree walk around of the Audi Q5 S line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather multifunction sports steering wheel, with buttons to control the colour drive information system you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display speed, consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation. While if you find the information too distracting, you can have the reduced display on by clicking view, which hides the information, but click it again and it will display the information. This model has rode in 16,194 miles, while even though it has passed the manufacturer's warranty, it will come with a 12-month warranty upon purchase, as well as the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 7-inch multimedia interface Radio Plus display screen, with the MMI controller dial on the centre console, which you can use to easily navigate through the system on the move without taking your eyes off the road. There's also shortcut switches, such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and auxiliary, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find your destination. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media, so you can easily stream your favourite music or podcasts while on the move. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty modes to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customize your options. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's the most driver focused. Not only that, but we also have the Parking System Plus, adding front and rear parking sensors, which will come really handy, especially when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the display for the Deluxe 3-zone electronic climate control, with step controls for the passenger, rear passengers, and driver, with plenty of configurability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed, and direction on the move, without taking your eyes off the road. While we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. This was a walk around of the Audi Q5 S line. If you'd like trend viewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 01772 911 331. Thank you for watching.